Hi guys, welcome to my mum's tutorial.
Welcome to my show.
Really? I look like an ice gem.
My baby girl and I are here. We're going to do a
Tutorial
about
Ramadan.
No. We're doing
For Eid.
And what we're going to do is get some primer on her.
My primer. I've fallen in love with Mum's Huda Beauty in Baklava.
You have to work with this pretty fast because it dries very, very fast and it's very matte. Just putting it over the eyes creates a really, really great base.
Oh, that's disgusting. It's like,
With a Huda foundation, you really need to take it down the neck because it's too perfect. She really likes full coverage foundations. She likes to look really flawless.
yes, I do.
Why is that? Why don't you like natural ones?
Because my natural face has lots of scarring, so I like to cover it up. I'm not farting, it's just a chair, I've just realised. Every time I move. She's farting. I'm not. I get to use this palette first.
Taking the shade Demure. Good. Open your eyes. With your eyes, because you've got tinier lids, I like to keep them open. Keep them open, trust me. Open.
Wow.
Because if you don't keep them open and looking straight, you can end up going up here. So with them open, I can see just how far I can go with you open.
I'm not keeping them open.
Blink like that a lot, I'm going to end up stabbing you, so... Open. Open.
They are open, I'm just looking down.
Next, with a soft brush, dipping into Risque. Open eyes. I'm just keeping it out to the outer third here. Bringing it out a little. Because she's wearing teal, this rose gold hair has rosy elements as well as some green elements into it, some reflex. So getting that on a very smooth tipped precision brush will help me just concentrate that right where I want it, here. And I'm not swiping so much, but just patting that on. Maya, keep your eyes open for me, please, my darling. So soft and buttery. Open your eyes. I'm going to try with my finger. I'm not getting the effect that I want. Yes. Wow. Taking a bit of the clear liquid. Can you keep your eye open?
Oh.
Just here. Let that go a little bit tacky, just cleaning off the brush in the interim.
Can we just let it dry before I have to open my eye?
Okay. forgot to show you, but this is Lit Cosmetics in Rainbow Pride. I think it's Rainbow Ride. And that is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. So I'm using my Revolution Pro palette and taking Outsider. I just feel that to match Maya's top, we need a little blue. Look up for me. I'm just stamping that into the lower lash line. JLo's Boogie Down Bronze. Ta-da, suck your cheeks and my... Actually, don't need to.
Okay.
Don't really need much contouring. You're so...
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Round faced.
I get it from my dad.
Egg face. Do not get it from your dad. Don't even go there. This colour's not any colour for you because you've tanned now since we last used it. You inherited Davdra nose, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
You're going to get your nose pierced on
No,
holidays.
Mum. No.
I think we need to.
No.
It will look so nice with a nose
I
ring.
hate it.
I think you should get your nose pierced.
Well, I'm not getting it done, so...
Oh, I think you should.
No.
I think you should.
No.
I think you should really consider
Mum,
it.
I don't
It will look
care.
so nice with a nose ring.
I'm not getting a nose ring.
I think you should have that piercing.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Revolution Pro, I'm taking this gorgeous lilac colour as a highlight. So I'm just looking at where the sun or the daylight is naturally hitting Maya's face, which is here. And I'm just going in like a dog. From the same palette, I'm taking this shade right here.
That is a lovely shade.
We've never tried it, so we don't actually know. I'm just applying that at the bottom, applying it quite strong because I'm going to go over it with the foundation brush. Yes, Maya. Like so. What do you think?
I think I look very defined now. Have a lot of colour.
And then just using setting powder to set all of that down.
I look gorgeous.
Just took some scissors to Maya's brow because it was just a bit wild up here. And she's a bit mortified now.
I have colon on my face. Oh my god. Okay, I'm using the Huda Booty. Now you've got me saying booty now. Liquid matte liquid lipstick in the shade Girlfriend.
Why are we doing a nude? I would have had like a dark colour.
Because I said nude. I like nudes.
I'm sure you do, you dirty girl. This one looks like this because you've still got foundation on your lip, which I kept, because your lip is quite a dark lip, it's quite a purple lip, and so it changes the tone of the lipstick. So just by keeping your foundation on, it keeps it looking more nude. No, no, no! Can you stop?
This is my tutorial now. Who's that by?
RLG Cosmetics in the shade KATSINA. KATSINA, I probably said it with an accent, but and we can't focus on it, but it's such a beautiful shade of gold.
Let me guess what you're going to do. You're going to put it in the middle, and then, yeah, so you get it on top.
Can we do a bit more? Can I have my tutorial back, please?
No.
Relax. And just together. Oh, hello, girlfriend.
I'm going to do lashes, but my tutor is on his way.
So this is the look done. Maya's tutor will be here in 5 minutes, so we need to wash this off.
No.
And finish up and get started. You're not going to wash it off, you're going to do it like this.
I love makeup.
So we're not celebrating Eid at all. Maya's got an exam on the day. I've got to go work on the day, so we're done.
Bye.
This is our Eid celebration.
Like, comment, notification bell, subscribe, share, follow me, follow Mum. Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Bye.